All right, guys, based on what we studied yesterday, I'm going to be showing you that video, but sorry, it had to come late because of um, some family issues I had. I couldn't bring up the videos on time. But however, let me recap what we did yesterday. So yesterday we talked about Facebook using free promotion on Facebook. So what you do, you simply go to your status, click, and then type what's on your mind. In this case study, we use all right, so after you've done this, the next thing you are going to do is for you to simply just come over here. You'll see where you have this option here. This is tagging, to tag your followers. If you have followers, you have like 200 followers, you have 500, you have 1000, you can tag them. How do you tag? Just click here. All right, you click here, watch me, then I can go ahead and tag all these my friends. Just go ahead, select each and every one of them. All right, I think this is the maximum Facebook can allow him for this timeout. You can stag up to like 20 people or so. So after you've done that, just click back, go back here, click the back button to go back, and then you see that the next thing you now do, if you like, you can add music to the background. You can add music to the background. How do you add music to the background? What you simply just do is that you click here, this button here, this extra button here that will show you more options. You click here, and then you can click music here. Click music, and then from here you can choose any music of your choice. You can test the music here. Let me choose another one.
Beautiful life, beautiful life, how you never fail, you never change. You are faithful till the end.
So I'll pick this one. All right, so I've just picked that one. So now what happened is that they will see your write-up. Don't forget, they are going to see your write-up while at the same time enjoying music at the background. You get? Then last but not the least, you can put your phone number here. For more information, please call. You put your number there, 080. Just put any number there. This is a random number. All right, for more information, please call. You can bring this for more information down. Just bring it down. All right, so you've just gotten that. The next thing you will now do, if I click on post now, all right, it will get this thing posted to all these friends. All of them, this is going to get it posted to them. All right, so that is how you can post. It's very simple. Type your write-up. All right, you can follow our format. Are you interested in enjoying free school fees for your children? Then inbox me or type I am interested in the comment section. You get? For more information, please call. Put your number there. Then click on post. This works as magic. Don't forget that you must tag people. Come here, click on tag. I've already tagged these people already. And then tag as much as you can. And then you can now click on what? post. You click on post here. All right. Now, once you get it posted, let me click this post now. You can see it is now posting now. Let it finished. All right. While still waiting, let it finish. All right. So look at it here now. It has finished. So once they see, they are going to start hearing the music.
You know, you
So this is what they are going to see. While the music is playing, they will see the information on their screen. All right. So that is how you do that. Now, if you want to share this, all right, if you want to share this to your story, you can just click here and then you select the option of sharing to your story. You can see your story here. Share to your Facebook story. You can share to your groups. All right. You can share to groups, and then you can also copy a link. Share to Instagram if you have Instagram. All right. So this is how it's done. All right. So now let me just share to story. You click story here, and then you can just go ahead and just click on share. That's all. If I click share now, it will share to my story, but I don't want to do that. So I'll discard photo. So that is how you can do this. Let me delete this one. So this method here is actually using Facebook. This Facebook free promotion.